Amiga, está en busca de un bú.
No, no estoy en busca de no.
Sí.
No.
Sí,
Pasé. Strawberry deuda del Panadol. ¿Qué? Panadol.
Panadol, paracetamol. Ikaw tingko ba ito niti sa Revelation?
Ami sa bakyaw. Punchi creme pistachio. Ti andra liter.
Andra liter.
Jenny, si bagay ko na puti na ko sushi lang. Ko na kumpare way for weekends dali na mata dito. Como lang naman bete.
Get the fuck out. No. Uy, sorry.
Sorry, ko ipendeu mo pisa sorry.
I don't wanna feel it. Yeah. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. Ooh. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more, she hit me.
Hey amiga, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and your girl Ida. I'm back with Ida. We are in the city. Ida needs to get a little errand done. She needs to get a little present for a friend of hers baby that is getting 1. She's turning 1 today, and I'll actually need a little suitcase, not a big one, a small one, because my other one broke. And I also thought it would just be fun to meet with my friend. I understood that Anna is also coming later, and maybe also Leandra. She's currently at the hairdressers, but we have KFC and we're gonna enjoy that now. So yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this day. Amiga, we are now at the bubble tea, at the Boba Club. We're at the Boba Club. I am here for the second time. I was here like 2 weeks ago, I think, and I liked it. That was just her straw going into her drink. It was a little aggressive. It's okay. But yeah, I was here 2 weeks ago and it was so good. And since Ida and I always try to go like to new places or introduce each other to new places, I thought like I need to bring her here. Because one time her and Anna brought me to, I think it's 8 to 5 tea. Yeah. And that one is also very good. But I came to understand that actual bubble tea, you need to try it from Asian people. And this place is Asian and the other one is not. So I wanted to try it, and I must say, yes,
pretty good.
Yes, it's really good. So yeah, she has, I don't know what the one, she has a specialty or something. And I have like a mango Yakult tea. No idea, but it's delish. So if you are ever in Antwerp, come try Boba Club. It's so good. We're gonna enjoy our drinks. and I'll talk to you later.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah, ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah, 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 all this money on me, yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me, yeah, yeah, all this money around me, yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me, yeah, yeah, yeah.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life in his complex upon loving it.
Okay, amiga, your girl is back home, and I thought it would be nice to share with you the little things that I've bought today. It's not a lot, but it can be fun to see still. So I needed a little trolley, and I got one. Like, this is like a little travel suitcase that I desperately needed because we had like a few, and all of them. Why is it so dark all of a sudden? What is happening? Okay, I hope that helps. We had like a few in the past and they all broke down. So I needed a new one, and tomorrow I'm also going to my mom for the weekend. So I thought I would buy one, and I had a pretty good deal at Primark. This one was only 15 euros and normally it's 40. So I thought like, that's great. Next week I'm gonna go back and try to find one for Benny as well, because we want to get back into traveling and we just need these. We need another one. So yeah, that's that. At Primark I also got these earrings. They are 2 euros and they're just like these cute little stud earrings that I love. And I also got these statement earrings. These were 5 euros and they're super pretty. And I think like, since I don't wear earrings like that all the time, it is just great to buy them at Primark for like a little money, you know? I also got lashes, but I don't know where I put them. Come on. I need to find them because I paid 6 euros for those. Weird. Anyways, I also got lashes, but I misplaced them and now I can't find them. Yeah, I got these little crisscross slippers for at home, you know? They're super cute. Blue. I wanted them in a lighter color, but they didn't have that anymore in my size, so I decided to go with the blue ones. And since, you know, fall is approaching, it's time to get back into cozy stuff. Even though like they pronounced like a few very nice days, the weather is supposed to be very good the upcoming days. So I'm gonna enjoy that to the max, try to get as much wear out of my summer wardrobe as possible, because after that I really think fall is gonna start kicking in. Then I also got at H&M, I got this little skirt in a minty green satin fabric. And this was just in sale for only 6 euros. So I thought it would be fun, since I also have mint colored slides that I am gonna bring with me to the Netherlands to wear this weekend. So I think that's gonna be fun. And I also got 2 boxes of hair dye, you know, to dye my hair with one of them, but I always like to have one in my stock, so whenever I need to dye my hair I just already have it. So yeah, that's it. Where did I put the lashes though? I don't know. Oh no, that's not it. I have also 2 new glasses. I got these. They look very similar to a pair that my sister had. The only thing is mine has like these things on the side, which I'm not a big fan of, but it's more like the front profile that matters to me, you know? Like, I love it. I love how it looks, and it's very similar to the one my sister has. So cute. Had to get it. And then I also got these. Not that I needed any more sunglasses, but I mean, hello, that is cute. Like, come on now. Come on now, don't play with me. Alright. That's everything I got. But I think I'm gonna like eat now. I'm gonna have dinner. We made seafood boiled yesterday and we have some leftovers. So I'm gonna have dinner now, and then after that I'm gonna shower and wash my hair and probably blow dry it tomorrow morning or maybe tonight. But I feel like I've been showing you this little routine so much lately, so I will just pick up on the vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna also pack everything for my trip to the Netherlands tonight. Make sure that I can leave early tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm gonna get into that. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, sorry. Hello. Alright, amiga, it is clearly the next day. I am already in Rotterdam. I had a safe travel to Rotterdam, and I am now gonna have lunch slash
with me.
brunch.
I'm back. What's up?
What's up?
You know, the realest in this, but give me a shit. Okay.
Anyways, I'm meeting up with her, my sister.
Her?
Yeah, her. Ladies and gentlemen. Her.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Her.
Oh yeah, her.
No, her and her, okay?
Oh, sorry.
Not the you show.
You are not the main character.
You're not the main character.
Well, ladies and gentlemen.
Her. Yeah, we're gonna have lunch, but I saw like this nice spot, so we're gonna make a few pictures. Because you know you gotta keep up to date with the gram. I've been busting my ass on the gram these days. So go follow me.
Go follow
that is at Jennyfer Ross. Alright.
The fan base be growing already. You know the deal. Tell them sis.
Yeah, I'm telling them. Go follow me. Okay, anyways, let me put my shit here, and then we can take our pictures, and then we're gonna move on to the spot before our nose gets hangry, because you already know how these women get. Okay. we're gonna devour. Bon appetit, amiga. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Ya, compramos snacks na? Picnic, boso ko boso? Di ko na.
Picnic ni sa na.
Di ko na. Habi mi kleedje com mi boekje, dan was je tranquila amigos. Di ko. Amiga nang, amiga ta en busco de un bu.
No, no en busco de no.
Sí.
No.
Sí,
pasó
en nosa. Kudo loy ka beta koi haya, unta koi busca, well? Sige, vou buscar.
No, tá chispa se
Você
familiar.
vai buscar buba lá em da picnic.
No, tá chispa se familiar, vamos ver como.
A outra picnic yanda loy cabeça, mira aqui.
Tá familiar mas
Em vez de strawberry, eu devo dar panadol. Panadol. A panadol? Ah, me saiu. Onde eu conei? Panadol, paracetamol. Amiga, we're now at Lily's bubble tea. We're gonna have a bubble tea, and after that I am gonna take the metro to go to my mom, and she is gonna chill by herself here in the city. Loner, like, you know, and yeah. Still not looking for boo?
No,
right.
I'm not looking for a boo.
On my way to my hometown with mom.
Amiga, kami na ela slice na direito ina. Ya ka may mama ko misa, kutuko ko tingo bay kunis. Plus mama na rin ko pa bibinda cara paneli. Iko tingo bay kunis, tira sa revelation.
A misa bakiyaw. Punchi creme pistachio, piangcolati.
Bota grande e piangcolata, bota chicken.
Boti 1,5 liter.
1,5 liter.
Jenny, se você vai com a botina, não é com sushi lá.
Não, na eu mesmo 5 minutos uma piangcolata.
Okay?
Banayo.
Plus ko pa na yung trali.
Banayo trali.
Sim, mas daí yun den border, mas vai com yun den bakery, que den freezer.
Ah, yeah. Tabay til di banda, amigos. Nós lo mira, kung iko'y tabay. Você passa bastante língua de leite?
Sim, nós vai ter uma coisa para mim. Nós vai action para mim.
Ok, ook nós vai action, depois nós vai ook tanti dingas de leite. Anto depois nós vai com parfum. Son Bernie Amanda sem para regalar minha mama parfum. Mas acaba que marque?
Não, mas aí eu me quero.
Mama maneta di spitspad maken, hè?
No, mi dawa ko yun, dabi pa mi trapa na namin. Sa Korea auto no masya for sector, mi dapat nada no pasa. Ah, mi dapat mo é responsável por antor da leba kaya mi ta. Mi ta cuida mi mes plus cuida sunari ba kaya.
Ok.
Ah,
sina mi seta.
dala pa que conflex, nem pa que cai, não é conflex. Ah, ando nipte. Por rebo é comprar tampouco. Esta rebo é.
E assim, não dá para reais comprar.
E reais não comprar coisa, não comprar reais. Por que weekends, dali na matariga. Como lá não tá bem.
E ketchup? De Heinz. Não, não.
Oh my God.
Não.
Era quanto
nasa rin ko magiling. Pasti gente, to? Ikaw kita may meeting. Meti un par de colonia nang deng unjo ko naki. Si meti uribe sa ki meti un par. Anto, uy. Dus ma poti asini kita me kumata wa spiegel tray. Anto ribe je mata pone colonia na.
Tako yan na Roma ko na yun. Yan na Roma ko puyo ko stop ko din camera lo yung may meyo.
Visiting Auntie Dinga.
We are back at my mom's house and I'm gonna help her organize her dresser. We bought these things at Action and we're now gonna organize my mom's perfumes and stuff. As you can see, she has quite a lot. This is her little collection. And I also gave her one today and she also bought a new one today. Aqui mga compra.
No, kita kayo gano'n me.
Hi!
Kita kayo gano'n me.
Aqui ka ba, Robes?
Si, kita kayo gano'n me.
Okay. Sei, nós vamos colônia na nova mapa, papi, sim. Tá firma, mano.
De nada firma bem.
Quanto mais eu vou livrar?
Turca me livalem. Ambi livalem. Aku di 13 aqui cara. Nah, essa aqui testa bem purba.
My Way di Giorgio Armani.
Essa aqui dole master.
Hey.
Essa aqui podemos virar vali color.
Virtual.
Muka dojo, naku pamika sada me. Kasi pamika sada me. Tuturo ko mika sa yung kwento ko ari mami. Kita ba wajan?
Bota neto ako
No, boto na nada, la ko para snacki.
Okay.
Organizing my mom's vanity.
Okay, amiga, this is the finished result of my mom's dresser. I made a little his and her side. So this is my mom's side with her little collection. These are perfumes that can only lay, so I put them in this glass mirrored tray. And here she has like her 3 little shoes standing up, which are also perfumes, by the way. And then she has here she has like a section for her body lotions. Here she has some brushes and also some testers, some lipsticks because she loves lipsticks. And then her trays are white, like these thingies. I chose white for her and then black for my stepdad because I thought that would look more masculine. And here he has like a few jumbo bottles and things, so I just kept them like that. But that is the total makeover that I did for them.
My parents are so cute.
See the leaf?
Better?
See, echt lief. Aww. Masuk kapper.
Sim, deve capa. Jay, mo tesa ko tayo pinagaya mami?
No.
Umay tabi asi.
Kaya ta mami está assim, masukos.
Aya. No, numbia mi unte ko aki mi mezen ka bay putre numbia.
Massage time.
The baddest. Amiga, it is the next day, as you can probably tell by the footage that you have seen before this. And I'm meeting up with my sister again in the city.
How do you mean again?
Again, I saw you yesterday too, right?
Yeah.
Didn't I? Didn't I see you yesterday?
Yeah.
So, I'm seeing my sister again in the city. We're now gonna have some Mickey D's. It is a very much of a pleasure. I'm not saying that it's not. So yeah, we're gonna now have some Mickey D's. And I have a birthday party to attend later on in the hometown. So yeah, I'm gonna also charge my laptop because I'm such a dumbass. I forgot my charger at home. So did you even bring your charger? You did, right?
Ask me these dumbass questions, bro. Don't ask me these dumbass questions, bro. Don't waste my damn time. Ask me these dumbass questions. Get the fuck out! No, wait, sorry.
Oh, they call me.
Sorry, Boba. Sorry, okay? Sorry, Boba.
Sorry.
Gewoon in de uithoek.
Kasi ko ipende ako bisa sorry. Kana sa ture na kidal ko. Bicycle ko bro, man to sorte ko se wawi. We are now at Starbucks. We finished having our Mickey D's and my computer is now charging because at McDonald's they shut down all the power cords. Not the power cord, how do you say that? The electricity thingy, you know? Like where you can plug in your computer into the electricity. They shut them all down. I think I get it because they don't want you to stay too long, I guess. But hello, what if I need to charge my phone? Nah, I think it's very rude to do that. But anyways, Starbucks of course came in clutch. So we're now at Starbucks. We ordered our drinks, or Nose ordered for us. What is it again, Nose? Caramel macchiatos today. And maybe we will have another drink too, you never know. So yeah, we're gonna start with this. And in the meantime, Nose and I will be chit-chatting and enjoying our sister time together. It's been a while since I've spoken to you, but what did we all do? Yeah, we had Starbucks and I charged my laptop so I can work on my video for tomorrow. And now, by the way, go check them out. By the way, tomorrow double uploads of my anniversary vlog, so go check it out because it's up by the time you're watching this. And now we decided to walk back to Beurs. And then there we're gonna take the metro. I'm gonna go back to my hometown and go to Yellow's birthday party. Yeah, it's a guy named Yellow that we grew up with. And he's a very good friend of our family. So my parents are already there and now I'm gonna join them. But you know how we Antilleans be, we be a lot, you know, and I'm not used to that shit no more. So I'm gonna go later and join my parents there. And I had such a good time with my sissy once again. I enjoyed it so much, and it's just fun to be around the neighborhood that we would always chill in, and that things change so much around here, you know? It's so funny to see, and also pretty cool actually. And people are staring at me because I'm talking to a camera, but yeah, never gets old, you know? It's 2021, everybody vlogs. I mean, come on.
Honey, you're
Honey.
a baby.
I am a bad
Give
bitch.
a fuck about that.
I don't give a
fuck about that.
Nada.
Like, this is how bad. You know, some of y'all bosses can, but some of y'all bosses can.
Yeah.
That's just plain and simple. Period.
Hey, I be loving it, but not to live here no more. Because it's expensive here, man. Why is your city? Why is your city so expensive, Nose?
Girl, don't be asking me those questions. I don't even want to be here myself.
But why is it so expensive?
I don't know.
How do you
Do you
live?
see these buildings?
Yeah.
They gotta come off of something. Do you see
That
that?
is true.
That needs to be paid for.
Yeah.
Okay, so this used to be my old job.
Really? Was
Yeah.
it here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And like, yeah, I was like a government bitch or something. But now I'm a bad bitch.
Yeah. And since she left, the whole building collapsed. Not the building, but like the whole
The
business.
company, yeah,
The whole
yeah.
business.
But yeah, I would like always be like late usually. And I used to rent to those porches.
Yes.
Yeah, this was the entrance.
All right.
Which is it.
Interesting though.
Yeah.
You were a corporate bitch.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
Man. Like, city girl.
Change here for the bus to the SS Rotterdam. Station Rijnhaven. Station Maashaven. U kunt hier overstappen op de trein. Take care to the tram. In de metro en in het station is een mondkapje verplicht.
Nobody be happy like that to see me.
Oh, sis. Bye bye. Zwaai, zwaai. Hey, doei.
Yo se me llega acá de 2 horas en el día, no hay uno. ¡Ven, Cris! Ay, voy a saber. Cachuco, cachuco. Voy a saber. Contigo parece. Vamos gostar da Guiné, ei, queria da Guiné, deu que parar, bobinha da morde. A ver, baila, mi amor, essa bobita, vai, baila, mi amor, essa cumbeta, vero, aqui esse não se sabe, se nós fumos, e esse não se sabe, ok, anda me flight a anunciar, esse é o pueblo, alô, a mitad de gris.
My parents are dropping me off at the station.
Ginawa siya naman na kanako, di. Utsal bang kira so.